Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest financial news and trends. Today, we're diving into a monumental shift in the global economy. Saudi Arabia has decided to dump the US dollar as the Petro Dollar, and the BRICS nations are introducing a new currency backed by 40% gold. We'll explore what this means for the global economy and, more importantly, for American investors. So let's get started. Segment 1. Background on the Petro Dollar. To understand the significance of Saudi Arabia's move, we first need to look back at the history of the Petro Dollar. The term Petro Dollar refers to the practice of pricing oil in US dollars. This system has been in place since the 1970s and has greatly benefited the US economy. Oil-producing countries like Saudi Arabia have traditionally sold their oil exclusively in dollars, ensuring a constant demand for the currency. This arrangement has given the US a significant economic advantage, as it allowed the country to maintain its dominance in global financial markets. However, recent geopolitical shifts in economic strategies have led to major changes. Segment 2. Saudi Arabia dumps the US dollar. Now, let's talk about Saudi Arabia's decision to move away from the US dollar. This decision marks a significant departure from decades of economic practice. The key reasons behind this shift include: 1. Geopolitical tensions. Growing tensions between the US and several other countries have made Saudi Arabia reconsider its reliance on the US dollar. 2. Diversification. Saudi Arabia aims to diversify its economic relationships and reduce its dependency on any single country or currency. 3. Strategic alliances, strengthening ties with emerging economies like China, Russia, and India, which are part of the BRICS coalition. This move is expected to have a profound impact on the global oil market and could potentially weaken the US dollar's dominance. Segment 3. The new BRICS currency. Next, let's delve into the new currency being developed by the BRICS nations: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. This new currency aims to provide an alternative to the US dollar for international trade and financial transactions. Here are the key points. 1. Gold-backed stability. The new BRICS currency will be backed by 40% gold, providing it with a level of stability and trust that fiat currencies often lack. 2. Economic independence. This currency aims to reduce the dependence of BRICS nations on the US dollar and foster greater economic cooperation among them. 3. Enhanced trade. By having a shared currency, these nations hope to streamline trade and reduce the costs associated with currency exchange. This move signals a significant shift in the global economic landscape, as it challenges the US dollar's role as the world's primary reserve currency. Segment 4. Impact on American investors. Now let's talk about what this all means for American investors. Here are the key takeaways. 1. Diversification is key. With the potential weakening of the US dollar, it's more important than ever for investors to diversify their portfolios. 1. This means looking into assets that can provide stability and growth, such as gold, international stocks, and alternative currencies. 2. Gold investments. Given the BRICS currency's gold backing, gold is likely to see increased demand. 2. American investors might consider increasing their gold holdings to hedge against currency fluctuations. 3. Monitoring global markets. The shift away from the petrodollar and the introduction of the BRICS currency will have ripple effects across global markets. 3. Staying informed and adaptable will be crucial for navigating this new economic landscape. 4. Emerging markets. With BRICS nations gaining more influence, investing in emerging markets could present new opportunities. 4. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and understand the risks involved. While these changes might seem daunting, they also present new opportunities for savvy investors who are prepared to adapt to the evolving global economy. Conclusion. In conclusion, Saudi Arabia's decision to dump the US dollar as the petrodollar and the BRICS nations' introduction of a new gold-backed currency are major developments in the global economy. For American investors, this means it's time to diversify, stay informed, and explore new investment opportunities. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on these changes and how you're planning to adjust your investment strategy. See you in the next video.